Hey guys, alright, so I was just talking to the owner of this 69. This is all original. I'll tell you in a second. Original paint. It's been clear coated. His father bought this new and bought it in Arizona, even though he lives in California. He had it shipped to Arizona so it would not have any smog. So this car is a smog-free California car. Original. It's got about 87, 84 now, I think, on the odometer, and then the engine has been redone. It's a big block. But he said he had the internals of the engine redone with some racing pistons and, you know, cam and some other stuff. So he says he's pumping out, I don't know if he said 500 or 600.
Ends up coming right in front of me, and I hit bam, bam. Shit. It sounded like metal. I couldn't even tell what it was. I had to come back. So I'm waiting for my tire pressure there, and I figured.
Those are original California license plates from 1969.
No leaks or anything. Couldn't burn your oil pan.
Amazing.
I go home, I put the car in the garage. I'm coming here like a week later, and I pull the car out, and I go back in the garage to grab my phone or something.
So it's been refreshed, but not completely restored. A lot of this stuff is just original as it was. It's just been maintained. You can see it's got a lot of the original engine components, original alternator, fan, head covers, original exhaust manifold. But it's got 3-inch exhaust. I'll show you the exhaust when we get to the back. You can see here it's original paint. I mean, the paint is not perfect, but he had it clear coated over the original. So this is a unicorn with huge cojones. The chrome is in amazing condition, I gotta say. Wow. I have chrome envy. Check out this exhaust. So absolutely beautiful. Amazing that it's been in his family. He bought it from his uncle. Yeah, I said father earlier. Uncle. He bought it from his uncle 10 years ago for $25,000. And he said he put about 25 into it. And it's probably worth, you know, pushing 100. Just because of what it is and because of the story. I'm here at the Pierce College Auto meetup every Sunday. I'll show you guys a few other cars, but this was very exciting to see. Hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned.